Hello guys, this is Miss Listan. Today in this video, I'm gonna say a short vlog. Some people ask me if is it hard to get a driving license in UAE. Well, for me, it's not that hard since I took my driving license back 2017 here in quwain, one of the Emirates here in the UAE, and that time it was easy for me to get the license. I was a barista at that time, and then after a year, I asked an NOC from my boss and to get the approval that I'm allowed to get a driving license. Actually, I took 9 months of training until I got my driving license. But of course, everything in my training is a normal schedule where I follow the schedule they're giving to me. Only at the last minute of my training where I got failed for the last road test, and that time I don't have enough time to wait because I'm almost done in my contract, so I have to get the driving license before I end my contract and my work. So what I did, I pay an extra money just to reduce my date on my schedule for a test, and then finally I got the mark pass. So all in all, I spent around 4,000 dirhams, total of my expenses to get a driving license.